are here to pay our respect to late Dr. Don Cooper Roy. Friends, I don't have words to express the deep sorrow and the pain that I personally feel. And I'm sure all of us feel the same pain. I lost my father in March 2016. Today, I feel I lost my father again. Dr. Don Cooper Roy